impression, but we shouldn't forget that JNU has immensely contributed to the national, good. In fact, Modi ji has two of his cabinet ministers, powerful ones from JNU. They are ex-JNUite, Jai Shankar and Sitaraman. They've been doing this. Anybody from JNU, and thankfully our Vice Chancellor has been speaking up against that, We have been contributing to this. I believe it's a wonderful institution. I feel privileged and blessed that I become a faculty member of this university. This is a precious university.
Okay. If they who called you tukre or anti-national, if they are watching this, what would be your response?
I would say like Kishore Kumar's गाना जो है ना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना ना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातें.
ये इसमें तो सुर भी तो था सर, वो अगर थोड़ा लगा देते तो गाना ही बन जाता. दो लाइन सुना देंगे क्या? आपका अगर पसंदीदा गाना है तो दो लाइन सुना दीजिए. इलेक्शन का माहौल है, अगर आप जीत गए तब तो बड़े इंसान हो जाएंगे, तब आपको कहाँ बोल पाएंगे कि आप.
That's in fact, I don't know whether you know about this. I was trained and I sing. But I'm just remembering the line. It's a very motivational, inspiring line.
But you know the song?
Yeah.
Two lines.
You really want me to
sing? Yeah, I want you to sing.
Okay, my voice is cracked because of the speech and
I know. Try.
It's something like this. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातों से
कहीं बीत न जाए रहना. Very nice, sir. I love your voice. Maybe after, now that you have a break till the results come out, you can actually get back to singing again, practice it. And I'm so glad that I spoke to you. I have been covering Manipur for so many months, and this time during the election time, people knew that I have come here, and all are commenting, go talk to Professor Bimala Krishnan, go talk to him. Why aren't you talking to him? I couldn't tell them because I came here on 17th. And I came here in the evening. By the time I reached here, the silent period had started. Any message for the people who have been insisting that I do your interview?
Yeah, thank you for sending Tamal to me. It's nice talking to you. It's an unlikely politician. I love my professions and I love my students that I've trained from Kerala to Kashmir, from Gujarat to Nagaland. They are my souls, they are my life. Even if I get elected, my plan is to request the university to allow me to teach for a month every semester.
Maybe if you win, you have to first teach love and heal Manipur, because
that's the way. My dream is to do that. To create a united Manipur where every community and citizens can live with peace and dignity and with a sense of well-being.
Did it disappoint you that not many people in India speak of? Forget about politicians. There are celebrities, there are many people who could have spoken about Manipur, but they chose to.
That I knew since for a long time. If you follow many of my writings and interview, there is a gap between India's northeast and the so-called mainstream. It is everywhere, in policy, in academia, in even social theorizations. The gap is there. That gap is there.
It hurts me when somebody says that. It really hurts me because I don't see the gap. I don't see the gap when I actually meet a person from Manipur.
It's there. See, for example, if I keep on talking about something that I read, Northeast is an anthropological subject, not a historical subject. That exclusion in academic world, only when something sensational happened, the media will be interested. I did actually analysis of the national media's reportage of the crisis. It's a huge, unbelievable, distortions that the Press Council of India's standard is not been followed by these media houses.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. And we get to speak again after the results come out, and we would see whether you offer me mishti or
कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे। कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है, हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई। कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है, हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई। तू कौन है, तेरा नाम है क्या? सीता भी यहाँ बदनाम हुई। फिर क्यों संसार की बातों से भीग गए तेरे नैना। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम